Alright guys, magandang hapon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Ola Dims Trading kay Miss K Lalang, for short Amaro. Siyempre, very good driver ng Red Vios sa Nueva Ecija. Nakita pa yan. Okay, so yun dito sa stall niya, nabenta sila ng mga laptop case, iPhone case, cellphones, di ba? Let's see what they sell for good price. If ever na maghanap din kayo, look for Ola Dims Training. Pag akyat niyo sa mga escalator, diretso letter U, number 5. Let's start. Okay, kasama natin si Miss K Lalang as K Amaro and Miss Jenny Fair. Yung kaibigan natin, wala siya, umalis. Okay, so dito sa stall niya guys, meron silang S23 Plus, 24, iPhones, okay, Samsung. Ito, I don't know what's this. This is a Realme, very nice kind of phone. iPhones, okay. May Samsung. I do not know what phone is this. The black one. Anong Samsung? Samsung yan. Okay, so parehas din ata. Okay. Then meron siyang Oppo. Tapos may Poco pa, maganda. iPhone. Okay, Realme. Brand new pa. Wow, even earpods. It's a good price. Nice, no? So dito guys, if ever na you're looking for good casing, tapos if you want to look for good discounts, syempre, we accept home credit, BDO, GCash, BPI, bank transfer, Hong Kong something, BC, COD, cash on delivery. Okay, so those who are going to buy from Miss K Lalang or K Amaro for short, please come to Green Hill Shopping Center, U05, look for her stall, and say hello to the most beautiful girls. Si Jennifer Fair. Oy, wow! Minsan, alam mo guys, I'll tell you something. One time, nakita ko si Jennifer sa kitchenette. Hindi ko alam yan ha. Bigla, wait lang. Biglang nakita ko siya dumaan. Hi friend, hi. Ano bibili mo? Kain lang. Okay. Sige. Yan lang. Pero ito ang pinakamasaya. Dati nung pumunta kami ng Boracay, sobrang happy ako. Alam mo bakit? Meron ako nakitang supermodel sa airport. Sumabay siya sa flight namin going. Cebu Pacific ata no? Cebu ba yan? Boracay siya. Paglipad namin ng Boracay, Katiklan, nasa arrival area, baggage claim. Oh my gosh, nakita ko to. Si Miss K Lalang Amaro. Hindi ko alam kung sino kasama niya, pero kasama niya mga friends niya, di ba? Pero, alam ko na, pag pupunta ulit siya ng Boracay, wag na. Ayaw akong mapunta doon kasi marami makita doon.
Maraming sexy doon.
Yes! Ayun. Hi friend. Yun. So ito yung stall nila Miss K Amaro, K Lalang. This is her now.
Uy, close yan dyan ha, kaya wala kaming madaanan mga customer ko bukas.
Okay. So yun, let me know if you're gonna buy from Miss K Amaro or Ola Dims Training, okay? Next stall, so Miss K, thank you so much. Ingat po kayo. Of course, Miss Jennifer, diba? Siyempre, mabait to, diba? Mabait ka talaga.
Masira ko mascara, friend?
Oh no. Tingnan mo, maputi talaga to. Okay. Okay. So, yun. Wow, gandang ilaw.
Sana all kayo sa amin bukas.
Okay. Let me know if you're gonna buy. See you.